This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the sheet. Select the table now. Make sure the left column is the x-axis and adjacent columns are y values because Excel reads columns as series. Once selected, press Insert, choose Charts, then Line, pick the basic line option. Excel will map headers into a legend and labels into axes automatically, so double-check that headers are included. If numbers appear on the x-axis incorrectly, stop and confirm they are text labels, not numeric values, and reselect the correct range before proceeding. Once the chart exists, focus on clarity. Right-click a line to format data series and change line weight, marker type, and color so different series contrast. This helps viewers. Next, use Chart Design and select data to add or remove series or to switch row/column if Excel misinterpreted rows as series. Make sure x-axis is set to date or text appropriately. Format the axis scale, set min and max values, and adjust major units. These controls ensure the graph reflects the real timeline and spacing of your data. Finalize by adding axis titles and optional data labels to communicate what each line represents. Place the legend where it doesn't overlap data. Next, clean layout. Remove unnecessary grid lines, adjust plot area padding, and set consistent fonts and colors for readability. Make sure to save a copy. If points vanish or axes look wrong, check data types and blank cells first. Excel misreads empty or text cells. If that fails, open Select Data and confirm each series range. Correcting ranges fixes most display errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.